everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a pretty short little video. I'm going to be doing a little bit of a haul. I went shopping today, so I went to get a few things. I actually just went in for a beauty blender, the original one, because as I mentioned in a previous video that I don't own one, and I've always used different ones like Pro Techniques, and I don't even know what other ones I have. I don't know, but they're not horrible. But I feel like since I've never tried the original beauty blender, that it would make a difference if I did try it. And people have suggested for me to try it, so I bought one. And I didn't buy the pink one, I bought the black one. I love black, so I bought that. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a haul today for you guys, and I got some other stuff, so we'll see what they are. So I went to Sephora. I love Sephora. I can spend some money in there, I'll tell you that. So like I said, I got the beauty blender. I just got the black one. I'm really excited about it. I want to try it in my next video, in my next makeup video that I do. And since I did color my hair, if you notice, it is a lot lighter than what it was. It's really dark in here. It's nighttime, but I do want to eventually start filming in sometimes natural lighting. And my hair is actually pretty blonde. It's not extremely light, but my coworker went from a level 3, which is 2 shades lighter than black, to this, and it's pretty blonde. I mean, you can see it. She did a freaking bomb ass job, I'll tell you that. I'm really excited about it. I'm like, the blonde life. So I'd be walking around the salon like that. So I went ahead, since I did go lighter on my hair, that I went ahead and went a little bit lighter on my eyebrows. And like I said before, I've always used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and then I bought the MAC one, the MAC version of that, and I like it. But now since I went lighter with my hair, it's way too dark, and I'll probably use it for the tail of my brows because I don't want to waste it, because I just got it last month. So I've been using an old Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in soft brown, but it's super dried up, so I went ahead and got a new one. I ended up getting Taupe because I'm gonna go lighter in my hair anyways, so why not go ahead and get the lightest shade, or one of the lightest shades. It's not gonna look bad, and if I need to change it up, I'll just add the MAC one. So I'm like gonna show you this. That's what it looks like. It's just like a really like soft brown, probably. I think it's more like a super light ashy brown, but it's really nice. And we came across a clearance section, and I actually got a few of these lipsticks maybe 2 months ago. They went on sale. I think it was Sephora, but the Vice lipsticks from Decay. This one is in Cruz, and it is a cream formula, and it's so pretty. Where's the receipt? They were on sale, and I'm gonna try and upload this video as soon as possible, but if you are near Sephora, I would definitely go see if they're having a sale. So they are $4.25. And then I saw a lip pencil. I don't have a lip pencil from Urban Decay, so I really wanted to try them. And it's a 24/7 Glide On lip pencil, and it is in Obsessed. So the packaging looks like this, and I will show you. It looks really freaking dark on camera. And this is the lipstick. It's super pretty, and it's really creamy. It has a creamy formula, and that's what that one looks like. the more pinky one is the lip liner, and then the purple one is the lipstick. So I really like both of those. So if you are near Sephora and you're watching this video, go check them out because apparently they're having a bomb ass sale. So another thing I picked up, I had to go to the dollar store, so I went ahead and picked up just a little brush. It was $1. I like to brush out my curls to like get beachy waves. So that was really it. I know it wasn't a lot, but I really did want to post a video this week. This week has been really weird for me. Last week has been really weird. Like, just random crap has been happening. I don't know, it's been a little off. So I wanted to post a video. I didn't want to leave you all in the dark, but hopefully I will get another or 2 videos up within the next few days. So be expecting more. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Like I said in all my videos previously, once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I know what I want to give away, so it will be a badass giveaway. So don't forget how, refer people to my page, share, whatever, interact. Also follow me on all of my social media. Everything will be linked down in the description box below, so you can follow me, and I will list everything that I showed you today in the box below also. So I'll be back with more videos, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.